Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today, I am just going to be talking a little bit about the Camaro SS and like everything, all the parts that it needs, and why I haven't been really uploading any videos. So the reason why I haven't been uploading any videos and why I've been working on this car is because I'm still waiting on parts and getting some money just to get some more parts and everything. So yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit about everything what the car needs. So first of all, let's just go ahead and start off right here with the radiator support. As you guys can see that it's broken, it needs a new radiator support all right here, and it's like crashed really bad right here. And then also the subframe, it needs a new subframe. That's what I'm about to order. I'm going to order it here real soon. I got some money now to save up to buy everything pretty much, so I'm going to be buying this subframe. And then also right there is a crack on the, not sure if you guys can see it. Okay, I think you guys can see it right there in the steering. I think it's called the steering rack or something like that, what it's called. So I need to get that too, which is also what I'm about to order. So hopefully I'll get that stuff soon. I'm going to be ordering it probably here this week sometime. And then of course the frame, it's bent and it's broken right here. And then also over here, there is one pulley. It's a tensioner pulley that's broken off, so that's something that I'm going to need. It's nothing really too bad, major, nothing really. And I'm pretty sure that's about like mainly the most thing right here. And then of course, front bumper and the hood. I don't really have them right here right now. Just took it off. And then right here, I took the fender off. The fender had one little crack in it, switches that I need to get. But I'm gonna try and see if I can just fix the fender myself, save a little bit of money. And then also, if we go over here on the other side, this wheel, see, it's got a little bit of scuffed up right there. We'll probably just fix that too. I'm not sure you guys can see it. I know it's wet, so it might be a little bit harder to see. It's right there, so it's nothing bad. Here's another little bit right there. You can probably see it a little bit better right here. That's like really about it. I'll just take it to a tire shop and see if they can fix it. Oh, I also forgot about the radiator. I do have the radiator. I already ordered one, and I got like all the parts for it. And like I tried putting it in there, but since this frame rail is bent this way, it will not fit in there. And also that the subframe is bent, I cannot put the radiator in there, so I gotta replace the subframe and straighten out the frame rail before I can put the radiator in it. So that's why I still have it on. Haven't put the radiator in there. Okay guys, so like the interior from the inside, right now what I need the steering wheel airbag, and then right there also the curtain airbag. Need that for the driver's side and also for the passenger side. I took them out already and I recorded it, but the video file got messed up, so that's why I never uploaded it. And I just kind of put this right back so it wouldn't be hanging there. And then also that airbag right there also need. That's pretty much it from the inside. But also the reason why, if you guys were wondering why I have the tarp on there, that is because the sunroof is broken. Let me see if I can kind of show you guys. See, I can just pick it up right here. So that's why I have the tarp up there and there. So I have a part like this, and when it rains, it can just right there go on into the inside. It can just go inside, so that's why I just put the tarp over it and kind of stops it from raining in there. So that's pretty much about it and for today's video. So hopefully I can get the parts here real soon. Finally got enough money saved up to order the parts, and then as soon as I get them, we'll put on the subframe and the steering rack. I believe that's what it's called. Put that on there, and then we'll take it to the frame machine and get this frame fixed up. And then we'll just have to put a front end, the hood, the fender, put them on there and get it painted, and then she'll be ready. So hopefully I can get it done here real soon. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on, because I'm not sure how often I'm going to be uploading videos. So turn them on so that way you get notified every time I upload it. And I'm going to be trying to upload as many videos as possible. So, yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Alright, peace, guys.